It's your boy, Lil Bro. You already know what time it is. I had to pull out the camera real quick, you know what I'm saying? Cause, I ain't never actually, you know what I'm saying, pull out the camera on y'all niggas, you know what I'm saying?
You already know, nigga.
For real, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my brother, you know what I'm saying, Wanza. Shout out to my brother Doja, you know what I'm saying? Niggas, we fucking doing it.
They my uncles and shit, man.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas making it happen
hard out here, man.
You know what I'm saying? Fucking bitches. You know what I'm saying? Getting hella money, man. Like, the money.
You know what I'm saying? Like my brother said.
Niggas, like, ain't never seen money like we getting in Richmond, for real, like, never. You know what I'm saying? Never seen money like this. And goddamn, we just trying to make a difference, you know what I'm saying? We trying to show the world the difference between us and everybody else in the rest of the world. Black, white, Chinese, Puerto Rican, green, yellow. It don't matter, you know what I'm saying? Your color. Don't matter where you come up from, because, you know what I'm saying, everybody have their own struggles. You know what I'm saying? None of that matters. The only thing that matters is, you know what I'm saying, that I am that motherfucking nigga. And I'm going to make that shit happen. You know what I'm saying? Believe that. It's the only thing that matters. I'm going to make it happen for me, my family, and everybody around me. You know what I'm saying? And we're going to set this, man, we're going to set the world on fire coming from Richmond, bro.
It's 804.
804, man. Shout out to motherfucking the East End, Verona. Shout out to Highland Park. You already know Carolina, Barton. Shout out to Churchill. Shout out to Hillside. Shout out to West 34th. To my brother Southside, man. Shout out to everywhere. Welcome, Creighton. You know what I'm saying? Jackson Ward. Just everybody, man. You know what I'm saying? Mosby. Man, just everybody in Richmond, man. You know what I'm saying? Everybody around the world, man. You know what I'm saying? Everybody who doing whatever. Do what the fuck you do, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Because ain't nobody better than you. You know what I'm saying? Just focus on that money, man. Bitches, niggas, like, don't let nothing get in your way, man. Just focus on the money. Parents, friends, nobody. Like, just do what the fuck you gotta do to get what you gotta go.
Hit that Mary Jane.
You know what I'm saying? For real. Oh yeah, definitely shout out to Mary Jane. She's the best girl in the world. Yeah, right though. She got the best pussy in the world. Like, I fuck Mary Jane before I fuck any other bitch in the world except Halle Berry. I put Mary Jane to the side to fuck Halle Berry. But Halle Berry, that chick, you know what I'm saying? She might let me fuck her and Halle Berry at the same time.
True said fuck Mary Jane.
Shit. You know what I'm saying, my brother.
You already know, nigga. See, in my book, my nigga, bitches is weed to me, my nigga.
Oh, okay.
I don't do nothing but get higher, nigga.
Okay.
You push the Mary Jane to the side, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? I can build Halle Berry with blunts, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Imagine that, nigga. You know what I'm saying?
I can dig it.
This little nigga right here, man. Niggas know me, man. For real, bro. Bitches love me, adore me. Just wanna fucking do anything I wanna fuck.
See that goofy ass nigga, that nigga crazy. We out. That's all y'all